A resume is a written description of your skills, abilities, experiences, knowledge, and accomplishments, and is your first impression to a future employer. When the average time a hiring manager spends looking at your resume is 7 seconds, you want to make every second count. The best way to do so is to be specific about your skills and experience and how they relate to the position you are applying to. Here are some formatting tips. First, remember to be concise. Avoid using paragraphs and long sentences. Bullet points will do. Make sure to keep your resume to 1 to 2 pages, depending on how much experience you have. Use a simple format for both your resume and cover letter, and be consistent with the formatting between both. Ensure that you're using a simple font that is easy to read and looks professional, such as Arial, Helvetica, or Calibri, and use 11 to 12 point font. At the top of your resume is where you should include your contact information. Here you should share your name, pronouns, a work-appropriate email address, cell phone number, address, and your LinkedIn URL. You can leave your pronouns and postal code off if you are concerned about discrimination. After your contact information, you can include a profile or summary, which is a chance to quickly showcase your skills, education, and relevant experience to a potential employer. Here you can list your relevant licenses, specialized training, achievements, years of experience, and important skills or responsibilities. In the education section, remember to write about your education and experience in reverse chronological order. For example, the program or degree that you are currently in goes at the top and any previous education goes after. Depending on your level of experience, within your education section, you can include courses, projects, or papers that show your relevant experience related to the job. After you've completed 1 to 2 years of study in post-secondary setting, you no longer need to include your high school in your education section. When you include work experience, emphasize your accomplishments over work duties and start each point with a strong action word such as initiated, facilitated, organized, or supervised to show your skills and competency. It is really important to demonstrate how you have the relevant skills and experience required in the job description, so be sure to include the keywords from the job posting within your examples of what you have done previously. Include specific results to highlight your accomplishments. Target your resume to the job you are seeking and be specific with your examples to really sell yourself. There are 2 main types of resumes, chronological and functional. Chronological is experience-based and is the most widely known type of resume, but it is not always appropriate if you don't have a lot of relevant experience. If you do not have a lot of experience, a functional, skills-based resume is probably the best choice for you, and would allow you to expand upon the knowledge and skills you have gained throughout the coursework. Check out the tip sheet on CareerSpace website for more information and more examples of both. Many organizations use applicant tracking systems or ATS to filter resumes before they get to the hiring manager. Knowing this, make sure you are using plain language and include the keywords that were used in the job description. Avoid using headers, footers, charts, and graphics. Don't include other personal information, a photo of yourself, references available upon request, or an objective statement. Don't over-exaggerate your experience or lie about education, and avoid generalizations. It's best to be yourself and be specific about what makes you the best person for the job. There are lots of helpful resources on the CareerSpace website, and if you need any help, you can always check out our resources, attend one of our resume workshops, or make an appointment to meet one-on-one with an advisor.